I'm gonna end you in the first round.
You'll do nothing.
Zabigay na ganyo.
I'll fight anyone, any weight class, and if Chuck Norris want the rematch, then come and get some.